Ladians, welcome back. So in today's video, I just want to tell you that Facebook monetization has been made so easy that anybody can monetize their page from anywhere in the world. Even if you're in the bush, you're in the village, you are anywhere in the world. As long as you have internet connection on your phone, you'll be able to monetize your page even if you are in Nigeria. I'm going to show you how to do it in this video step by step. So how does this work? You might have seen so many people advertising Facebook monetization, training on Facebook, on different platforms. I also have my group where I train people about the same thing. Now, this is how it works. I don't train you how to monetize your page. I can only help you to accumulate the requirements like watch hours and followers. Also, I'm going to teach you how to create videos, what to post on your page, what not to post, and all that. That is why people are joining classes. They want to learn how to monetize their page. Now, how does this monetization work when you are eligible for monetization on your page? I mean Facebook page, not your profile. I mean Facebook page. The thing is that you will have to partner with someone who is living abroad, give them access to your page, then they will help you to use their details to monetize your page for you. So if you're watching this video and you have a Facebook page and you want to monetize it in the future, please, once you're eligible for monetization, you are going to see an arrow. Facebook will notify you, maybe your in-stream ad, your live videos and all those things. Just leave it like that. Don't even start the setup, because once you start the setup like this, it will be difficult for the person to continue, because you'll be able to have all the details that are required of you to fill in that setup, because you may have your details like your address or other things. But when it gets to the task info, I'm sure you don't have your task info in Nigeria. So now once you already started that registration, it will be difficult for someone else who is in US or anywhere to help you to change your setting. So I'm advising you that if you are willing to monetize your page in the future, once that setup comes up, leave it like that and allow someone who wants to help you monetize it to start from the beginning, so you will not have any problem in the future. So you're wondering what is going on in all this monetization group, and all you know, it is good to belong to a group. I myself attended more than 3 different training groups for monetization before I finally started my social media marketing. My own training is different because I charge even more than where I learned, because I give you one-on-one training on how to edit videos, and I will follow up on your page activities and all that. Whenever you message me, even at midnight, I will respond. So if you are willing to monetize the page in the future and you're in Nigeria, you can partner with me if you're interested. I'll be glad to work with you. I will be glad to welcome you in the group. I will be glad to help you walk you through the process of monetization. I'd like to see you get some money. So that is all I have. No, that's not a big deal about it. Then don't understand that there is no secret behind it. You want to monetize your account, is very simple. Look for someone abroad. Let them help you monetize it. But not just everybody, you understand? Not everybody can help you monetize your account. So yeah, you have to go with people that know what they are doing, that know about this whole thing. Because once someone who doesn't know all these things tries to help you, you can get stuck and it will be difficult to reverse it. Sometimes it takes 3 to 4 months to reverse it. Thanks for watching and bye for now.